Genesis 20, Good News Translation, GNT, Abraham and Abimelech. Abraham left Hebron and traveled to the southern region of Canaan, where he settled between Kadesh and Shur, and later he lived for a while in Gerar. 2. He told everyone that his wife Sarah was his sister, so King Abimelech of Gerar had Sarah brought to him. 3. But that night God appeared to Abimelech in a dream and said, "You are going to die because you have taken this woman. She is already married." 4. But Abimelech had not come near her, and he said, "Lord, I am innocent. Would you destroy me and my people?" 5. Abraham himself said that she was his sister, and she said the same thing. "I did this with a clear conscience and clean hands." 6. God replied in the dream, "Yes, I know that you did this with a clear conscience, and so I kept you from sinning against me and did not let you touch her." 7. But now give the woman back to her husband. He is a prophet, and he will pray for you so that you will not die. But if you do not give her back, I warn you that you will surely die along with all your people. Abimelech confronts Abraham. 8. Early the next morning, Abimelech called all his officials and told them what had happened, and they were terrified. 9. Then Abimelech called Abraham and said, "What have you done to us? What wrong have I done to you, that you should bring such trouble on me and my kingdom? You have done things to me that should never be done." 10. Why did you do this? 11. Abraham answered, "I thought that there would be no respect for God in this place, and that they would kill me to get my wife." 12. Besides, she really is my sister. She is the daughter of my father, but not of my mother, and I married her. 13. So when God sent me out to wander from my father's house, I told her, "You must do me the favor of saying wherever we go that you are my brother." Restoration and blessing. 14. Then Abimelech gave Abraham some sheep, cattle, and slaves. He gave Sarah back to him 15 and said, "Here is my whole land. Live anywhere you like." 16. He said to Sarah, "I am giving your brother 1,000 pieces of silver as proof to all who are with you that you are innocent. Everyone will know that you have done no wrong." 17. Because of what had happened to Sarah, Abraham prayed to God, and God healed Abimelech his wife and his slave women so that they could have children. 18. For the Lord had made it impossible for any of the women in Abimelech's household to have children because of what happened with Sarah.